Hey guys, nail this recipe and you'll never order takeout while binge watching shows on weekends again. Today I'm making these bold, tangy lemon chicken feet. They've got crispy, bouncy meat, a zesty, spicy sour kick, and fresh citrus aroma in every bite, way more flavorful than store-bought ones. This snack lets you indulge and boost your beauty routine at the same time. Chicken feet are packed with collagen and calcium, great for satisfying cravings and keeping your skin nice. Lemons give you vitamin C for that bright, fresh flavor to cut through richness. Cucumber and onion are high in fiber to help with digestion. Perfect for binge-watch snacks, beer pairings, or summer appetizers. Best part? It costs under $20 to make a huge big bowl. Let's start with prepping the chicken feet. Grab 500 grams fresh chicken feet from the market. Sprinkle on about 5 grams salt, then rub the surface really well with your hands. Salt works as an abrasive to scrub off slime, dirt, and fishy odor way better than plain water. After scrubbing, rinse them thoroughly, changing the water twice. Look at all that grime coming out! Once clean, trim off each toenail with kitchen scissors. They hold bacteria, so removing them makes them safer to eat. Chop each foot into 2-3 smaller pieces, not too big, so they soak up more flavor later. Put the chopped chicken feet in a pot, cover with water, bring to a rolling boil on high heat, then turn to medium heat to simmer. Here's the trick. Boil for 8 minutes for chewy, bouncy texture. 12 minutes for super tender meat that falls off the bone easily. I'm going for 10 minutes today for a nice middle ground. Once done, take them out and immediately plunge into cold water. Ice water is best. The quick temperature change tightens the skin, making it crisp and bouncy instead of mushy. Grab 2 lemons, about 100 grams total, cut into chunks and remove all seeds. Seeds make the whole dish bitter after soaking. Set aside. Get half an onion, around 80 grams, dice it up. Onion's sharpness kills bacteria and boosts flavor. Take 1 cucumber, 150 grams, peel it, cut into 4 long strips, scrape out the watery, seedy core. It'll water down the sauce, then chop into bite-sized pieces. Set all veggies aside. In a big bowl, add the drained chicken feet, cucumber, onion, lemon chunks, sliced Thai chilies, and minced garlic. Toss in 5 grams chili powder and 5 grams white sesame seeds. Heat about 30 grams cooking oil until smoking hot, then pour it right over the spices. That sizzle releases all the amazing aroma, the key to this dish's flavor. Add 15 grams light soy sauce for umami, just 3 grams dark soy sauce for color, 12 grams black vinegar for that tangy kick, 1 OG oyster sauce for depth, and 2 grams salt. Finally, pour in 100 grams Sprite. Sprite's sweetness and fizz make the chicken feet extra refreshing with subtle fruity notes, way better than plain sugar. Now add 15 grams chopped cilantro. Put on some gloves and toss everything really well so every piece of chicken foot and lemon is fully coated in sauce. Hey everyone, making these cooking videos takes a lot of work. I share these simple, practical home recipes every single day. If this lemon chicken feet recipe helps level up your cooking skills, hit the like button, leave a comment, and share this video so more people can enjoy this perfect binge-watch snack. Thank you so much for all your support and encouragement. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and chill in the fridge for at least 2 hours for deeper flavor, tossing once or twice so the sauce soaks evenly. You can eat it after just 30 minutes if you're in a hurry, but the longer it marinates, the better it gets. Overnight is absolutely amazing. Just look at this big bowl of lemon chicken feet. Bright red chilies, yellow lemon, fresh green cilantro, and cucumber. The colors alone make your mouth water. Take a bite. Crispy, bouncy chicken skin and meat coated in spicy sour sauce, fresh lemon scent, tangy vinegar, sweet Sprite balancing the heat, plus sharp onion and crisp cucumber. Every bite is totally addictive. You can even use the leftover sauce for other cold dishes. This snack gives you collagen and vitamins, boosts your appetite, and won't make you feel overheated. Eat this all summer long for glowing skin and tasty treats loved by kids and grown-ups alike. Alright guys, that's my bold, tangy lemon chicken feet recipe for today. Save this and give it a try if you love it. I'll see you next time. Wishing you all happy days and delicious meals every single day.